Okay, let's make some banana muffins. First, start out with bananas. That's probably a good thing to start with. Use bananas that look like you should have thrown them away already. They may not be good to just peel and chow down on, but they're great for these muffins. And make sure you get all the little strings and everything off of them, and then put them in that bowl or a bowl. Then you can blend them up with your blender or whatever you call that thing, mixer, that thing. Then add some sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and just beat that up too. And when you get that all nice and beat together, you can add other things. Like I imagine egg would be good to go in there. Yeah, an egg. We'll put an egg in there. And we'll put another egg. Why not? We'll throw 2 eggs in there. And throw the shells away. And wash your hands, so you're not throwing egg stuff all over the kitchen. Careful. And then beat that together. Like that. And then you can pour some oil in there. About a 1/4 cup of, I use canola oil in this instance. And then a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And just pour that on in. And just blend it all together. And then you can add a tablespoon of vanilla. Now, I made this vanilla from vanilla beans. And it's good vanilla. I know it looks like a store-bought bottle, and that bottle was store-bought, but I refilled it with my own vanilla. And then mix that in, and then add your 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt to 2 cups of flour, and just mix that together. And add that flour to your banana batter. And clean up your area real quick. Add a 1/4 cup of buttermilk to all of that. And then mix it together on low speed until it's all incorporated. Don't overdo it here. You don't want to overdo it there. Those are muffins. But that should be about enough. Then you can make a streusel topping. Streusel? Yeah, streusel. And that's half a cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of butter. You just cut in there. You can add a half a cup of brown sugar, and then incorporate that together with your hands. Just rub that flour and sugar and butter mixture together until you get it all together. And it just feels right once you get it right. And don't worry, it's therapeutic. Then you can fill those muffin cups with your muffin batter. And so I used a half cup scoop, and put that muffin batter into the muffin cups. And once you get that batter in those muffin cups, you can then do other things like put the streusel topping on. Now these get baked in the oven at 425 for 8 minutes, and then at 355 for 8 more minutes. 350 degrees for 8 more minutes after the 425 degrees. But skipping ahead there. Add your streusel topping to the muffins. About 2 tablespoons or however how much you like. Put that on top there. And once you get done playing with all the streusel, then you can bake them. 425, 8 minutes. 350 degrees, 8 more minutes. And they will turn out good. They look something like that. Make sure you get muffin batter on the sides of your cup so it looks bad.